What's up, guys? It's your boy named Polo. Well, today, something happened yesterday, and we're getting a new car. The reason why we're getting a new car, we'll be making a video about that tomorrow. But the reason why we're getting a new car because our car burnt in fire, and it was like gator rolls. And I think Javon posted, I don't know what he posted, like Snapchat and all that stuff. But that was crazy. So right now we're getting a new car. Don't know when, but we are. And I think I might bring the camera so I can vlog there. Because, yeah, I was actually sad. It was so sad. But I am about to vlog, and hope the video turns amazing because I haven't been vlogging the past few weeks. And then after that, we're getting my phone fixed. I think I know it's not gonna be today. I don't know, which I'm kind of so confused about that because I hope my phone gets fixed. And if my phone doesn't get fixed, then that's bad. Because I'm tired of borrowing people's phones. Which I don't want to do that. And I upload every day. Every single day. Most of the days I don't. I just do. But I will be making a video about that. But yeah. Right now I might turn this off. Because people are coming downstairs. I know my mom doesn't want to be recorded. I don't know about my dad. But hopefully this video turns amazing. If it doesn't, then I'm still going to upload it no matter what. Well, if someone pulls out their, you know. So like I said, I think we're getting the car fixed, so yeah. Hopefully that's good. Just to let you guys know, I'm sorry about the light. I got my new haircut, and as y'all guys want, you know what? I'm tired of this. Yes, I dropped the hat. This is what my hair looks like right now. So I got my new haircut. You'll see the lines. The lines look different, yes. The line looks different. Sorry guys, that took a long time. I'm sorry. I don't think I will be vlogging today. Because, I thought I might get my phone fixed next year. Might get my phone fixed next year though. So I don't know when that's gonna happen. But I'll be making a video about what happened yesterday, tomorrow. I still miss this. That's the thing that I used to record with, so I could put stuff on YouTube. But now I can't. But when I get my phone fixed, man, that's when I'm gonna be doing videos, like doing vlogs, which I still do vlogs on this camera that I'm holding right here. But that's how bad I miss you guys. Dude, right now I'm not in a good mood because I kind of do get mad a lot. Families are downstairs. I freaking hate some of them, or one of them. Really don't want. I'm really like that type of guy to talk to my families. Well, my brothers. Just don't have no one to talk to in real life. I do have kind of someone to talk to, but not that much people. Like, I really miss doing vlogs, like going out someplace and showing you guys places I really care about. And yes, I am a Steelers fan. Y'all guys are gonna be like, man, Steelers are bad. I am a Steelers fan. But, yeah, guys. I haven't been vlogging for like a long time. Just been at the house recording things. Which I need to go out and start like vlogging. Just sit talking. Wait, I need to show you guys something. This is the room that I used to have. As you want to see the old room, if you're like new here, go on one of my old videos and you'll see my old room where I used to live. And it's really different, but I ain't gonna show y'all what's inside there. Like, it's really different in there. Like, when I had this room, I had no door in this room. So go on my old videos and check it out. I really miss when I had an old like room by myself, cause and that's where I start recording the most. And that's it. Yes, I haven't been showing y'all guys what the mall looks like here. It's awesome. Well, I'm not really from here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Things that you don't know about me videos. I don't know, because I'm still thinking about it. Because I want to get y'all guys. I want to get y'all guys to know me, like what I do. Like, look, I'm not from here. I'm from Charleston. Well, I am from here, West Virginia, but I'm from Charleston now. And Charleston Mall is better than the other mall here. But yeah, guys. But I am gonna tell y'all what happened yesterday. It's really sad, and I'm kind of want to tell y'all because I really don't want y'all guys to know, but I do want to tell y'all. So I'm not gonna be vlogging today. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and check out my Instagram and my second Instagram and all that stuff down in the description. And please subscribe to see more videos. Like it, and please leave a comment down below, and don't forget subscribe to become a Team Apollo. And just check out my Instagram, because I don't know if a lot of y'all guys have been liking my Instagram and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.